So this is a video how to get traffic on question answer sites or forum or forum marketing. So this is just a wee snippet into that via our boot camp. So let's take a listen and we'll come back in just a few minutes or so.
Hey, what's up? It's Chuck here, and in this lesson, I'm going to walk you through forum marketing. So first of all, let's start with what is forum marketing. It is basically answering questions and posting value to the community. You're giving value without spamming or pitching, and the goal here is to be viewed as an authority in the community so that the people who are seeing your answers will click on your profile to learn more about you. They will reach out to you directly to ask for help, or they will click the link in your signature, which will take them to your MIS lead magnet where you can generate a lead. Forum marketing is a way where you can generate leads by answering questions. Don't spam, don't pitch, and don't be arrogant. Just be someone of value in the community and just answer questions. That's all you're going to be doing. So, why forum marketing? Well, it's a free way to build your brand. It is a free way to generate leads. It's fast, it's easy, and it's very, very, very beginner friendly. Now, how to market on forums. So first of all, in every single forum that you join, you must optimize your profile with a link to your lead magnet. Now, most forums out there on the internet allow you to do this, okay? So I'm gonna use Quora and Reddit as an example, since these are like the two biggest forums out there. Basically for Quora, you can edit your name, your credentials, and in the bio, you can have a description about what you do, who you serve, how you serve them, and you can also put a link in the description. And when you do this, when you answer questions on Quora, people can visit your profile, they will see everything about you and a link to your MIS lead magnet for you to generate leads. Same with Reddit, it's very similar. You can edit your name, your social links, your avatar, your banner, and of course, have a link in your description as well. That will also help you generate leads. But the point is, in every single forum out there, there is a place for you to edit your profile, and in your profile there's always going to be some areas where you can add links to your MIS lead magnet, to your social media platform, and so on. Next is you want to find recent and relevant questions that you can answer. Obviously we're here to answer questions. You want to help the people asking questions. So you want to find the recent and relevant questions, because you don't want to answer questions that's asked like 6 years ago. You want to find a question that just got asked last week, like last month. Use the search function to search keywords, join spaces and answer members' questions. You can even type into Google. So the main keyword plus Quora, for example, how to do affiliate marketing, plus Quora and plus filter. And the filter could just be like search results 24 hours, search results 1 month ago. So you can filter it by date to just see the most recent type of questions that are being asked on Quora or Reddit, okay? Answer questions with a touch of personality. With the invention of AI, there are lots of answers being AI generated, and you can see that, people can see that, and even though it produces great answers, they don't actually appreciate that, especially the community. So when you're answering questions, yes, you can use AI to help you find the perfect answer, but you want to rewrite them and add your own personality. Give your own personal examples and even your experiences. That's what makes a good answer. Feel free to use AI to help, but make it sound human. Use eye-catching images in your answer to spice it up. So depending on the forum that you're on to answer the questions, some of them allows you to upload images. And sometimes you can upload an image that pretty much answers the question itself. Or you can just upload an image with eye-catching context to.
So that's it. That's part of our boot camp, which shows you like every method, a wee snippet of it. So it's free. We have a free community as well. So come and join us, and we'd love to see you there.